What's up? Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. This is Willie Mack, and welcome to Cooking Shit in the Microwave with me. We about to get down on some... Who the hell is this at my door? Come in!
Yo.
Back! What's up, man? Oh, shit! Here we go. What's up, dude? What you doing? About to make Thanksgiving dinner, some sides and whatnot.
What do you make? You make some turkey?
Nah.
No, you gonna make some collard greens. You gonna make some chickens. What you gonna make?
I'm about to make some cup of noodles, nigga.
Couple of noodles, nigga. Dog, it's Thanksgiving. You can't afford a little, a little bread, a little slice of turkey meat, little.
You can't be thankful for this? It's fine.
Let's see what happens.
Alright, shit.
You know?
Real quick. Chill. Nigga, this Thanksgiving. This ain't Christmas.
Hey, man, be thankful you got a tree. Alright?
Probably make some firewood or donate to somebody.
So let me get this right. You making ramen noodles with mustard?
Yep.
Soy sauce.
Can't go wrong with soy sauce, man.
And Parmesan?
Yep. Can't go wrong with cheese. Nigga love some cheese, you know that, right?
Do what you gotta do. Let's see what happens.
Alright, cool. Actually, let me pour that damn water up in this piece real quick.
That would be smart. I mean, as an observer, you know. I ain't no iron chef or nothing like that, but come on.
Squirt some of this up in there.
Why you gotta squirt? Why can't you just, squeeze?
Squeeze, squirt, as long as it come out.
Hey, man, it sounds better to sound squeeze rather than squirt, because,
Throw some of this soy sauce on there real quick. Just a little bit, not too much though. Don't want to take the flavor away from the mustard and whatnot. Throw some of this cheese. Bam. Just one more thing. Got some of this banana.
You want to put a banana?
Need that potassium, dog.
Can't argue with that.
Straight up. Need a little bit of this. Break that bitch up like that. Blah, blah, blah. Bam. Now, how long is it supposed to go up in the microwave for?
A few minutes.
Alright, let me see what happens. Make sure it's covered in.
Oh, yeah, she's singing. She's still singing.
Nigga, where you at? It's done. Oh, I got this fork. I got something for you real quick.
Yeah, I ain't using the fork you use.
Bam.
Nigga, is this the Flintstones?
Hey, you might like the juices in your little soup and noodles and whatnot.
Are we eating yabba yabba doo noodles?
Hey, we eating something. Some people ain't.
After eating this, some people don't want to eat.
Alright. Bow our heads, let's say a little prayer.
Alright.
Lord.
Grits don't fry in the kitchen. Beans don't cook on the grill. Chicken. Oh, I'm sorry.
Trying to be serious, nigga.
Oh, I know you were doing another prayer. I'm sorry.
Lord, thank you for this food that I'm prepared. And we about to put it down. Willie Mack coming in them and coming right out. Dig on in. Amen.
Amen.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Love, peace, and chicken grease.
Feed me.